Hey everyone. Welcome back to The Altruist, where we dive deep into health and wellness topics to make every day a little brighter and healthier. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content like this. Today, we're squeezing out all the juicy details about one tiny yet mighty fruit, the lime. Limes, they're not just a cute garnish on the side of your drink. Oh no, they pack a punch in both flavor and health benefits. Let's zest things up and explore why you should start incorporating limes into your daily routine. First up, limes are a powerhouse of vitamin C. Just a single lime can provide about 32% of your daily recommended intake. Vitamin C isn't just good for your immune system. It also enhances iron absorption, promotes healthy skin, and may reduce your risk of heart disease. So next time you're whipping up a meal or a smoothie, squeeze in some lime. Now, on to hydration. Staying hydrated is key for overall health. But let's be honest, drinking water can get a bit boring. Here's a tip: add a slice or a squeeze of lime to your water. It's not only refreshing, it makes it easier to keep those hydration levels up throughout the day. Plus, it's a natural way to flavor your water without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. Moving on, did you know that limes can aid in digestion? The acidity in lime juice helps break down the food you eat, which can alleviate bloating and improve digestive health. Adding lime to your meals isn't just about enhancing flavor, it's about aiding your gut health too. But that's not all. Limes have impressive anti-inflammatory properties thanks to their high levels of antioxidants. These antioxidants fight off free radicals in the body, which can reduce inflammation and help prevent a range of diseases from forming. Incorporating lime into your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your body's defense system against chronic conditions. To wrap it up, limes are not only versatile and delicious, but they're also a superhero in the nutritional world. Whether you're using them in your cooking, squeezing them into your water, or simply enjoying them in your favorite beverages, the benefits are too good to ignore. So why not give it a try? Start using lime today and see the difference it makes to your health. And remember, for more health tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to The Altruist. Together, let's zest up our lives and our health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.